What's up YouTube, Tay here from TayWilkins.com, helping you find different ways to make money online. Today guys, I'm going to show you an easy method to making PayPal cash using a simple and super easy copy and paste method. Again, this is a super easy copy and paste method. You don't need any special skills for this, and you can do this over and over again. If that sounds good to you, then stick around to the end of the video. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright, let's stop wasting time and jump straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to need is to choose a link shortening site. You have sites like AdFly, ShrinkMe, or the one that I use, short.st. The way these sites work in particular is that whenever you shorten a link with these sites and someone clicks on your shortened link, you get paid. The reason they can pay you is because before they send you to your destination, they show you an advertisement. Viewers can either choose to click on that ad or skip it after a few seconds. Again, like I said a few seconds ago, you get paid when people click on your link, even if the viewer chooses to skip the ad. After you sign up to one of these sites, you'll want to link your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you sign up for one so you can get paid when you use this method. Now you need a link to shorten. For me, what I did was replace one of the links from one of my older YouTube videos that still gets a ton of views with this shorten link. And as you can see, people are still clicking that link attached to that video. Now, for you, if you don't have a YouTube channel or you don't want to create videos, don't worry, I have a solution for you. The first thing you want to do is head over to YouTube. The objective is to either find viral videos or videos that get a ton of views. In this example, I'm going to put DIY in the search bar. As you can see, I got a list of DIY related channels and videos, but I don't want to go and search through the videos just yet. You see that filter icon? You want to click on that, and in the list that pops up, you want to select Creative Commons. What this will allow you to do is see videos that you are allowed to reuse. Let me click on this video and show you what I mean. If you scroll all the way down to the end of the video description, you will see the license, and the license this creator has chosen is Creative Commons. If you click on the license link and you check out what I've highlighted in blue, it says when a creator marks their video Creative Commons, they allow the entire YouTube community to edit and reuse that video. So, now that you know you can reuse the video, it's time to download them. If you do a Google search for YouTube video downloaders, you'll get a ton of sites and options to download videos. Grab the URL to the YouTube video, use the downloader, and download the video to your smartphone or your computer. Now we need to edit the video. You really don't have to do much. All you really need to do is add text in the video. Something like, check out the link in my bio for more videos. And really, that's all you need. There are tons of free video editors: Lightworks and VSDC for PC, iMovie for Mac, and Filmora Go for mobile. Now we're going to head over to Instagram, and this is where you're going to upload the video. You'll want to either rename your existing Instagram account or create a new account and name it to something related to the type of videos you will be posting. Okay. So if you've edited your video with a smartphone, all you need to do is upload the video. If you've edited the video on your PC, you will either need to transfer the video to your smartphone or sign up to a site like Hootsuite, which will allow you to upload Instagram posts from your computer. Once you upload the Instagram post, you'll want to make sure you use the right hashtags. That way, your video is seen by the right people. Remember, you can post up to 20 or so hashtags, so get creative. The last thing on this list is to add that shortened link to your Instagram bio so people can click on it and you can get paid. Head back over to YouTube and copy the URL of the channel where you got the video from, or you can copy the video URL. It's really up to you. Then head over to the link shortener site and paste in that URL link. Once you get your shortened link, you can then take that link over to Instagram and add that to your bio. Then all you need to do is sit back as you start racking in those clicks. Okay guys, this is how you can make easy PayPal cash just by doing some copying and some pasting. It's a super easy method that you can make money with and get started right away. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.